Today I have to run some errands and I just needed to do my makeup. And I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna film it. It's not gonna be really a get ready with me because I'm already having my hair and this is what I'm gonna wear. It's just a Alex's sweatshirt. And then this is the makeup that I'm going to create. It's super easy. I'm going to explain to you step by step how to create a super easy winged eyeliner, and I'm also going to show you the best product for beginners or for people who are looking for a very easy option for an eyeliner. Now let's just get into it. You know what? I have this right here. Let's just apply it. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and this is something that I used to use at the beginning of this channel a lot, but then this was out of stock, at least in France. It was out of stock for a very long period of time. And now I see it back, so I'm gonna prep my skin using this. Although it's extremely rich, it's not greasy at all. I don't understand how. Chanel Le Beige Healthy Glow Foundation in the color BD31. I just bought this recently, so you're probably gonna see me using it a lot. Really nice color. It does oxidize, so please keep that in mind. I don't think it's just me, I think it's on everybody. So as soon as you apply it, it's kind of light, but then it gets a bit darker. It has a very skin-like finish. Really unexpected for Chanel. This beautiful coverage, 35 shades available. I mean, it's not fancy, but it's quite amazing. Foundation brush is 100 from Il Makiage. Let's see this finish. I mean, it really looks like I have nothing on my skin, but that's what I'm looking for. You know what? It's just right here, so I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Not that it's not a great concealer, but I know that I've used this so much that you guys probably are sick of it. I'll take a Morphe M335 brush. I like to apply what's left on the brush on the mobile lid. Okay, I've taken just a little bit of Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. I will get it on the eyelids. This way I know that mascara, if I use pencil at the base of the lashes, not going to transfer in here. Surat, it's called autograph eyeliner or something like that. This is the easiest eyeliner for me. So if you watch me for a while, you know that I struggle doing my own eyeliner only because, and let's just say I don't have like a perfect shape. But whenever my hair is up like this, it helps me because it pulls a little bit the eyebrows, so I have a little bit more space right here. When I apply eyeliner, especially liquid one, it's quite difficult with a regular eyeliner. I don't find that this one is difficult at all. If anything, this is the easiest product that I've probably ever used in terms of eyeliner. I'm just gonna take this eyeshadow right here from the Fenty Beauty number 9 palette, Smith 230 brush, and I get a very thin layer of this eyeshadow, which is matte and a little bit lighter than my skin tone. Now, if you want to bring your eyes more forward, you have very little space between your eyebrows and your lashes. It looks better on you when you apply lighter colors on your eyelids. So I'm using now the eyeliner, okay? I want you to know that although I have my contacts on, I still watch myself doing the eyeliner in a magnifying mirror, else I cannot do it. This is in black, by the way. Do you see how easy this one glides? Okay, from here, when I get to this point, I look straight into the mirror and I figure out like where do I want my little wing to be, around here. So I make a little dot just so you guys can understand from where I'm doing the little flick, okay? So from here I go down. I raise my eyebrows to correct a little bit because there was a little fold right there. And then from here, I make the line a little bit thicker. I work on the tip just to make it look more sharp. This is fine for me for like a quick makeup look, you know? I could do this type of flick, this type of winged eyeliner. I could literally do it in about 30 seconds each eye. Both eyes are done. I'm gonna curl the lashes just a bit. This is the Laura Mercier eyelash curler. I feel like a lot of people think that the eyeliner is just for nighttime, but it really depends on what you have on the rest of the face. I'm using the Dior Iconic Over Curl Mascara. What's a good mascara for you guys? I'm curious what your favorite mascara is because it's like so subjective. I feel like when I ask these questions, like I'm asking people, what is your favorite ice cream flavor? There's no winner, you know. Now that I'm done with mascara, I'm going to gently powder the area under the eyes, just where I've applied concealer. I know that it will last so much better if I apply powder. Try not to rub. If you do rub, make sure it's like very, very, very gentle. I'm using the same powder from Laura Mercier. I've never for 1 second stopped loving this powder. Same powder around the nose and around the mouth. Only because I have this palette right here, I'm gonna take the color. Seems to be like a champagne beigey, very pretty everyday color, and I'm only gonna apply it in the inner corner. It doesn't have crazy shine, so I think that for daytime this is really pretty. I'm gonna use the Terracotta Nude. This is it's like an all over powder, all over glow. Do you guys know the ambient lighting palette from Hourglass? This is like all of that palette in one product. You will see this doesn't really have much of a color. Can you guys see? It just has this glow. I'm trying to apply a little bit more so you guys can totally see its color, but in real life you actually need much less than this. So it gives you something in between a blush and a bronzer. If I want some color on my face, I would go towards a product like this, or you know, like the Hourglass ambient lighting palette. I personally find this very easy to use. You see this color right here? It's this product only. With that same brush, I've applied the eyeshadow on my eyelids. I will get this powder in the crease. Just a thin layer. I think it all looks very beautiful. Like, check this out. It's like a wash of color that I have. And then when I turn, it's really not obvious. It has a very thin, very subtle shine. Incredibly delicate. If you guys like an easy product, like an easy everyday product, this is a great one. Glossy Brow Flick in brown. And then some clear eyebrow gel, and my favorite is the 24-hour brow setter. You will always see me using this duo, Glossy Brow Flick and the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. Nothing disciplines my eyebrows the way this guy does. The lipstick game has changed a lot for me. I find that these Maybelline, especially these Super Stay Matte Ink lipsticks, they don't move. However, it can be quite drying. I suggest you to apply them differently. So they are drying when you apply them with the original applicator, you know, and you put a good layer of lipstick. However, when you use a brush or just your fingers to spread the product, I find that it's not as drying. Like, I'm gonna apply it with a brush. And the reason why I'm applying it with a brush is because I can stretch it, make it so thin, comfortable. It has a lot of pigment. You will see it has a good color payoff. The lipstick being applied like this, in with this method, I can assure you, like, even if you don't have this, I don't care what type of matte lipstick you have, and maybe you're like me and you're not really into matte lipsticks, but try it like this. This is something that I personally like to do, get mascara on the lower lashes. I feel like there's something missing if I don't do it, you know? Okay, this is my look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what type of looks you want to see. If I should get into like more dramatic now that we got into the fall season. Any ideas are very welcome. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Ilya, it's il maquillage. What are you talking about? Is this left or right? Let me put my eyes on. Good. Let's get started. Do you know makeup or you do not know makeup?